Dad.
I'm doing fine.
Okay.
I'm just
Ellen.
watching for you. I'm hoping.
Okay.
Semi behind me. Oh,
No.
God. I was just about ready to get slammed there by that semi.
You got it. Dad.
I'm doing fine.
Okay.
I'm just
Ellen.
watching for you. I'm hoping.
Okay.
Semi behind me. Oh, shit.
No.
God. I was just about ready to get slammed there by that semi.
You got off to keep from doing it.
Yes, he got off. I seen him coming on me really fast. I was bracing for getting slammed from the rear. That
Call 911. Yeah, why were you playing? Call the cops. Are you guys okay with this? You're okay? Get your information together. Get your ID out and your information.
Economy into a tailspin. According to this columnist for Axios, in the decades after World War II, episodes of inflation have ended when the Fed took steps to tighten the money supply, causing recessions. In other words, companies cannot hike prices and workers can't demand higher pay if the economy is contracting and more people are out of work. In the most extreme example, Fed Chair Paul
God, really?
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set alarm for 7 p.m. Apply.
I set your apply alarm for 7 p.m.
of Man of La Mancha. You know, there's not a lot I remember from being 5 years old. It's such a distinct memory.
Nice turn signal.
If further study reveals that animals have psychic abilities, might some species be able to use them to alter their world? And might we someday learn to communicate with our pets through ESP? The In Search of cameras turn to these questions next.
They did a commercial break.
Yes, I've never seen that before. Yep,
That's new.
Coming up next.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. But no, telekinetic fire starter.
On Netflix, and some of them have been beaten up. I think it was Netflix maybe, it's down 30%. Tesla's down 30% almost, depending on how you look at it from its high last fall. And in general,
going that way.
Right now it's kind of soft, depending on exactly. Might be down plus or minus.
Just like our phones. Cool. Are we there yet? About driving? Visit volvocruise.com/US. the conversation forward with the